Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about performance targets inside Microsoft Ads account. Performance targets is a feature which you can use, guys, with the help of which you can set certain targets regarding your campaigns and then you can track them on a regular basis. So this particular feature helps you to visualize whether you are on track to meet your specific targets or not. If in case it is showing up over there that you are not able to meet the targets, then you can go back to your campaigns and you can make some modifications to it and then you can see the difference in it. So this way you are able to keep a check on your campaigns targets like a business objective if you may have. So you can keep a check whether you will be able to meet the business objectives or not. That is how we can use this particular feature inside the account, guys. So let's have a look at it once we're inside the account, how we can set it up. So once you're inside the account, guys, you can go to the tools section and under the shared library, you can come to performance targets over here. And here you can create a performance target, guys. So in order to create this, the first thing is you have to give it a name. And then you can select the campaigns on which you want to apply this. So you can add the campaigns and then you can select the time period that for which time period you want to check this weekly, starting from Monday or starting from Sunday. Do you want to do it on a monthly basis? How do you want to check it on a regular basis or not? And then now you decide the metrics which you want to look at. So let's say you want to check how the spend has been and you want to keep a check on the spend of your campaigns and you want to see that whether it becomes more than a certain amount or not. So in this manner, you can add. So in the same manner, you can do for clicks as well. Let's say you want to check whether you're meeting the clicks target or not. And similarly, the average CPC as well. Let's say you want to make sure that your average CPC is at a certain limit and whether the campaigns are achieving that average CPC or not. So in this manner, now you can create the performance target. And here on this page, it will track. It will track for you whether it is performing fine or not, or are you behind the target. So this will be the analysis which will be done on this particular page. So from this, you will get to understand whether the three metrics which you have set, are you able to achieve them or not for a certain period of time. So this is how, guys, we are going to make use of performance targets inside our Microsoft Ads account. I hope this makes sense and now you understand how to use this feature. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.